Hi everybody, welcome back to Android application development video tutorial series. This is Ambrish Vayan. In this tutorial I will discuss about data storages in Android. Android provides several options for you to save persistent application data. The solution you choose depends on your specific needs, such as whether the data should be private to your application or it can be accessed by other applications also, and how much space your data requires. Based on these factors, Android provides different types of data storages. They are shared preference, internal storage, external storage, SQLite database, and network connection. The shared preferences are used to store private primitive data in the form of key value pair. It means in the shared preference you can store the data of type primitive data. It means you can store the values like integer, float, double, string, okay, and in the later version in the KitKat they have provided the option to store the string array also. Other than that, you can't store any other data such as like audio files or images. I will discuss about shared preferences in detail in forthcoming videos. Then internal storage. In the internal storage, you can store the data on the device memory. Means here in the internal storage and external storage you can store the files, like you have downloaded some files from the internet in your application, so that can be stored in the internal storage or external storage. Basically these internal and external storages are meant for file systems. Now moving to the SQLite database. In the SQLite database, you can store the private structured data. But there is an option where you can share this data to other applications also. So that concept is called as content providers. We will see in detail regarding this concept in forthcoming videos. Okay, and network connection. It means whenever you have a data and it has to be shared among different devices. It means there are some 10 users and you are uploading some data to the server, or you want to share some data with all those 10 mobiles. Means all those applications, okay, which has been installed on different mobile devices. Okay, at that time you can send the data from your application to the server, where from the server all other devices can retrieve the data and use it in their applications. Okay, these are the applications, or these are the options provided for the data storages in Android. So in the next video I will explain in detail about shared preference. What is the use of shared preference, which type of data you can store in shared preference, how to store the data, how to retrieve the data. So all those things we can see in the upcoming video tutorial. Thank you.